Mastering passive voice with will. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome to our English grammar session. Today we are focusing on a very intriguing part of English grammar: the passive voice with will. This video is going to help you grasp the use of the future passive voice and increase your English fluency. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. First things first, let's refresh our knowledge on the passive voice. Passive voice is a grammatical construction where the object of an action becomes the subject of the sentence. This is different from the active voice, where the subject performs the action. For example, consider these two sentences. 1. Active. John will eat the apple. 2. Passive. The apple will be eaten by John. Both sentences express the same idea, but the focus is different. In the active voice, the emphasis is on John. In the passive voice, the focus shifts to the apple. Now, we are specifically interested in using passive voice with the modal verb, will. As you probably know, will is used to express a future action in English. When we use will in the passive voice, we are describing a future action that will be done to the subject. The structure for this is quite simple. Subject plus will plus be plus past participle. Let's take a look at a few examples. 1. The cake will be baked by Sarah. 2. The report will be finished by tomorrow. 3. The truth will be revealed soon. In all these sentences, the focus is on what will happen to the subject, cake, report, truth, in the future, not who is performing the action. It's time to put your knowledge into practice. Let's transform some active sentences into passive ones. Active, they will clean the house. Passive, the house will be cleaned. Active, Sarah will close the deal. Passive, the deal will be closed by Sarah. As you can see, using will in the passive voice adds another layer of flexibility to your English, allowing you to place emphasis where you want it in your sentence. And that's it for today's session, folks. You've successfully mastered the use of will in the passive voice. Keep practicing and you'll see improvement in your English fluency in no time. Remember, it's not about how many rules you memorize, but how comfortably you can use them in your communication. So don't be afraid to try out new structures and vocabulary. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next session. Happy learning!